Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website for development business on Wix, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own it helps you build your own site without needing much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, enter the website. Now create new site here. Now search for your business or website type, development. So for example, I'm gonna choose this business development service. Click next and wait here to preparing the dashboard. Now enter your business name, type any business name you want here. Here if you want to add your business address, so let's click next. Here if you want to set your default working hours, next. Here if you want to add some services, so let's continue. Here you can add your stuff. Now next, what else do you want to do with your business? Offer virtual sessions, accept online payments, manage on the go with the Wix owner, sync your personal Google app or Outlook cylinder. Here send automated email and SMS reminder. So let's continue this. Now continue to dashboard. Now wait a few seconds. Now design your site. Here, how would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or if you want to customize a designed template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. Now wait a few seconds. Here, enter your information, your email, your address, and your phone. Here, if you want to add a social link, here you can add your logo. So let's continue this. And now pick some theme you like. Now wait to preparing your homepage designs. Now pick favorite homepage design. Pick any homepage you want. And continue this. Here, if you want to add pages to your site, so for example, this and this and this. Now continue. Now wait a few seconds, preparing your homepage design and adding your page. Here, if you want to edit more your website, click here. This is the settings of the website. Here, if you want to design it, you can add elements here. So this is text section. If you want to edit the same text, this is the size. If you want to edit the size or the shape of the writing, the title, the same thing here, the paragraphs. So let's move on to the image. Also the image, if you want to search for anything here you want, or if you want to show more image. So let's move on to the button section. If you want to manage themed buttons, text and icon buttons and image buttons, document buttons and the iTunes buttons, and the pay buttons and the PayPal buttons. So the strip, if you want to edit the strip section, the classic, featured, about and services, contact and welcome, testimonial and the theme, the last thing. So decorative, if you want to edit the shape, to manage the shape, the shapes, the themed lines, the basic shapes, the rows. Here if you want to edit the horizontal lines and the vertical lines, the vertical arch, the featured, the icons and the animal and nature, the logos and badges, the character, and here the video box and the video mask, transparent video. So the boxes, the themed boxes, the container boxes, the over boxes, and the tabs. And let's move on to the gallery. Here is the recommended galleries, the pro galleries, the guide galleries, and the slider galleries. And here, if you want to choose more galleries, if you want to customize more galleries, so that's it. The menu and the anchor, the themed menus, and the horizontal menus, the vertical menus. Here is the in-page navigation, the anchor, and the in-page menu, the search, the site search. So let's move on to the next, contact and forms. If you want to edit the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, donation forms, the application forms, and the feedback forms, the request forms, the waiver forms, and the subscribe forms. And here the Google Maps, the maps, the full width maps, the chat also here, the Wix chat, and here the line. So let's move on to the music, video and music, Wix video, video box, and video mask, transparent video. The music section here, the audio players, the Wix music, the SoundCloud player, Spotify player, and the iTunes button. And here the interactive section, for the slideshows. Here if you want to make it full width slideshows, the box slideshows. This is the light boxes, the boxes, the over boxes, and the tabs. And here the repeaters, the over repeaters. So let's move on to the list. Here you can edit the repeaters, over repeaters, and blank repeaters. The embed code here, if you want to custom popular embeds, the video single video player, here the SoundCloud players, Spotify player, the iTunes button here if you want to edit this audio settings, the marketing tools, and the video dev mode. Here is the animation if you want to edit the animation section. So let's move on to the social bar section. Here if you want to edit the Facebook section, this Facebook bar, the Twitter bar, or the Pinterest, the VK, and the line bar. Here is the YouTube bar if you want to edit this, the music and video. So let's move on to the payment section, and this is the CMS section, the manage your site's content, the blog, the store, and the bookings, the events, and the community, and your design here. So let's move on to the next here. If you want to add a section on your website, just click here and select any section you want here. So let's move on to the page and menu. Also the page and menu if you want to add more page here. So let's move on to the site design. If you want to edit the color theme or the text theme, the page background, and the page transitions. So let's move on here. If you want to add more apps, here you can search for apps. So let's move on to the business section. Here you can manage your business. Also here the media, you can upload your media. Here you can search for if you're looking for something here. The CMS, also here you can manage your site content. So the last thing here, the marketing and SEO. So here if you want to edit design your website, here from here if you want to move it up or move it down, if you want to do a quick edit, you can also explore section layouts. And here if you want to more actions, if you want to duplicate or delete this section, or cut or copy. So that's it. After you complete the editing or designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.